Well, did you know that you can get a lot of money for simply using your phone and watching videos? Well, it sounds nice, right? Well, it is. What I'm going to show you today is very easy to do. It's something you can do at home, on the streets, whilst walking, in the toilet, in bed. You can do this anywhere. All you need is basically a smartphone. Any smartphone will do. You don't need the most expensive phone to do this. Just an average smartphone will work. And what I'm showing you today, it's absolutely free to do. You don't need to pay to register. There are no hidden costs or anything like that. And what I love about this method is that it's available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from. If you're in America or South America or Asia, Australia, Europe, Africa, you can actually do what I'm going to show you today. Now, all I need you to do is watch this video all the way to the end because I don't want you to miss any important step. You need to get the understanding of how it works and how you're going to go about this so that you can make the money. Now, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Click on subscribe. It's absolutely free to do. That red button, just click subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And turn on all post notifications so that anytime there's a new video, you'll easily be able to see my videos. Okay, so let's get on to it. Now, the first application I want to show you is called App Nana. As you can see over here, it's App Nana. It's a get any paid app for free. Members earned over $10 million in games and gift card credits. So you can get this on both iOS and Android. Now, basically, what this application is all about is basically you can do a few things and make money. For example, on the App Store, as you can see over here, this is the logo for App Nana. So for example, we have here, you get best free gift card rewards. Then we have here, try free apps, get free gift cards. Then we have here, watch videos, get free gift cards. Now, these gift cards are actually points that you will get. As you can see over here, they're called nanas. So here somebody has 90,000 nanas. So if the person converts the points, he can convert it into money. And then you can withdraw the money via PayPal. So, and you must understand that there are a lot of videos that you can watch on this application. There's so many videos that they provide to you, and you can just be watching them. And every time you watch the video, they're usually about 3-minute videos that they will give to you. And every time you watch a video, they can either maybe give you 30 points or 50 points or 100 points, depending on the video. Some videos may be 200 points. It all depends on the video. Now, you can just be doing that, just watch videos. It's the same videos that you have been watching maybe on YouTube, but you just watch them on YouTube. But why not watch them on App Nana, where every time you watch the video, they'll give you points. And once you accumulate a lot of points, you can then convert your points into money and then withdraw the money. So what I want to let you understand is that instead of watching the videos on just YouTube for fun, you can actually just go and download this App Nana, and you'll be watching the same videos basically on this application. But every time you're actually watching it on this application, they are giving you points, and you're accumulating more and more points the more videos you watch. So at the end of the day, you can make yourself like $30 for simply just watching videos. It might not seem like a lot of money, but this is something that doesn't cost you anything. You don't need experience to watch videos. It's just the same thing you've been doing every single day, but just now you're going to be getting money for doing so. So this is just a lovely method I want to show you, where instead of just watching videos for free, why not watch videos and earn points and then convert the points and make money? Sounds nice? Well, it is. Hope it works for you. Try it out. It's working. So I just wanted to share that with you. It's called App Nana. And the second thing I want to show you is called Creations Rewards. So the website is creationsrewards.net. So Creations Rewards is just another platform as well, where you can do a couple of things and earn some money. So as you can see over here, be rewarded for what you do online at Creations Rewards. Earn free gift cards and cash. Now, new members receive a $5 sign-up bonus. This means that if you just sign up for free. As you can see here, join for free. When you sign up for free, you are going to get $5. How nice is that? So, which means that if you sign up right now for free, you are just going to get $5 for basically doing nothing but signing up. That's just an introduction of the potential money that you could be making. So it's also another platform where you can do, for example, you can do paid surveys, you can watch videos, just like the App Nana website. You can watch videos, visit websites, online shopping, complete special offers, refer friends and family. So these are the kind of things you can do on Creations Rewards, and you can be making a lot of passive income because it doesn't cost you anything to do a survey. A survey is basically a questionnaire. They're going to give you a questionnaire in a Word document, and they just want you to, fill it in and just give your opinion, answer a few questions, and you're going to get paid for that. And here, of course, the watching videos, they're going to provide you with videos that they want you to watch, and basically you just want to watch the videos and earn money for doing so. Well, you're actually earning points which you will convert into money with Creations Rewards. So this is also nice as well, where you just visit certain websites that they give you. They want you to visit certain websites, and every time you visit the website, you just need to take a screenshot to let them know that you were on the website. They want you to do a couple of things on the website, maybe search a certain product. And once you've searched the product, you take a screenshot of that to give them proof that you were on the website, and they're going to pay you for that. So, and then when you refer a friend to this website, Creations Rewards, they pay you for that. So they're going to pay you money just for referring a friend and a family. So which means that if you have friends that you refer, or you have family members that you refer and they actually sign up, they're also going to get $5. As you can see, they're also going to get $5 each for just signing up. But every time they sign up, you are going to get money for that. So if you refer maybe 10 people, you're going to get a lot of money just for doing that. And they're also going to be getting $5 for referring their friends as well. So it's very simple to do. The more you refer people, if your family refers other people and they also refer other people, it's just some easy money that you can be getting paid, which basically doesn't cost you anything to do. But what I advise you to do is watch videos, because it's fun. It's something we all do. As you're watching this video right now, instead of just watching videos and not doing anything, you can actually watch videos and actually earn points and then convert it to money, which is very easy to do. So these are the two things I wanted to show you today. There's App Nana and there's Creations Reward. Yeah, App Nana, which is right here. It's App Nana on the Play Store. It looks like this. This is the logo, and creationsrewards.net. So I hope it all works for you. If you have any questions or you're confused, just comment your questions down below in the comment section, and like this video. I would really appreciate that. And subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on all post notifications so that you don't miss any new video, which can help you to make more money online. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I hope people support you too. Cheers.